Karen, led by Captain Jason Holder and Jamaica's Blackwood. Several members of the West Indies team have moved up in the Test players rankings ahead of Thursday's start of the second Test against England in Birmingham. Holder has moved up one place to number 2 in the bowling rankings with a career best 862 rating points, the best for any West Indies bowler since Courtney Walsh's tally of 866 in August 2000. Holder picked up 7 wickets, including a haul of 6 for 42 in the first innings of the West Indies' victory over England in the first Test match. Man of the match, Shannon Gabriel, also moved up to 18th, while Kemar Roach fell to 16th in the rankings, being led by Australia's Pat Cummins. Holder maintained a top spot in the Test all-rounders category, increasing his rating points to a career best 485. The 28-year-old stays one place ahead of England's Ben Stokes, while Ruston Chase remains at number 8. The Windies captain is also the highest-ranked West Indies Test batsman at number 35, despite falling 2 places. Blackwood's superb second innings knock of 95, which helped propel the Windies to victory in the first Test, saw him climb 14 places to number 58, while Shane Durridge moved up to a career-best 37th after scoring 61 in the first innings. There were also marginal improvements for Chase, who moved up 1 place to 45th, and Craig Brathwaite, who advanced 1 spot to 48th. The Test batting rankings is being led by Australia's Steve Smith. And Blackwood says adjusting his game was not difficult as the Jamaican looks to build on his match-winning innings of 95 against England on Sunday at the AGS Bowl. Renata Brown reports.
Blackwood's first innings dismissal may have left a lot of questions on whether he had changed the approach that had left him sidelined for the last 2 years. However, his second innings 95 showed the reason the 28-year-old ended the regional 4-day season as a top run scorer.
Looking back when I just started playing for West Indies, I normally go after the bowling from ball 1, and I wasn't really giving myself a chance, So this year I told myself that I'm going to give myself more chance at the wicket and try to just bat as long as possible. And once I did that, for sure, I wasn't thinking about scoring, to be honest. I was just more thinking about batting as long as possible because the run is going to come naturally.
Blackwood says the adjustment was not a massive change.
It wasn't difficult at all. It's just mentally, mostly mentally for me, it's not too much about my technical work or nothing like that. It's just all come down to, mental stuff and, so I just tell myself that I'm just going to bat and bat for as long as possible. And once I bat over 100 balls to 200 balls, I know I'm going to score runs. So that is my plan going forward.
Meanwhile, Windies head coach Phil Simmons says he expects Jamaican John Campbell to be fit for Thursday's second Test. Campbell left the field after 11 deliveries on Sunday after being struck on the foot. He, however, returned to hit the winning run for the Caribbean side. Simmons also adds that there are no worries about the bowlers following the opening Test.
We'll only know tomorrow, and he looks like he'll be fine, so we haven't thought about any replacements. He'll be good. The bowlers are good. They had a rest day today. They'll come out and they'll do their work tomorrow and be ready for the Test match. They've all pulled up very well.
So you think probably
Sunday marked the first time the Caribbean side won the first Test on tour against a team ranked higher since South Africa in 2007. Renata Brown for TVJ Sports.